Have you been keeping tabs on your windshield wiper blades? While they're a very important part to your car's overall performance, they're pretty simple to maintain and care for. Toyota of North Charlotte is here to help you do just that. We offer affordable wiper blades at our parts store, and our techs are here to explain when you might need a new set and how to change them out. How do you know when you're due for new wiper blades? Here are some telltale signs. The wipers leave streaks on the windshield. They don't clear the windshield of water, instead they just smear the water around. They make squeaky or shrieky noises when you use them. You can see physical damage on the rubber blades. If you notice any of the above signs, you're due for a new set of blades. You can check your owner's manual or even the current blades that you have on to see which type you should buy and then swap them out for yourself. Here are the simple steps for changing wiper blades. Lift the wiper blade arm and pull it carefully away from the windshield. You'll see a small tab on the bottom of the wiper blade where it meets the arm. Depress the tab. When the tab is depressed, pull the blade down and remove it from the arm. Pull the new wiper blade onto the arm. It will click when it's locked into place. Lower the arm so the blade is resting on the windshield again. Finally, test the wiper to ensure that it's installed correctly. You don't want to be stuck in the rain with a faulty wiper. Still not sure you can handle swapping them out on your own? Come on down to Toyota of North Charlotte. Our Toyota service techs can help you choose new blades at our parts store and install them for you in no time. We're at 13429 Statesville Road, just off I-77 at exit 23.